Okay, so you're wondering how to connect your device to Basecamp. Maybe you're new to Basecamp, or maybe you're just having trouble getting it set up. Either way, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your device to Basecamp, step by step. I'll also cover some troubleshooting tips in case you run into any problems. So, let's get started. How to connect your device to Basecamp. Download and install Basecamp. Basecamp is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. You can download it from the Basecamp website. Connect your device to your computer. You can connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Launch Basecamp. Once Basecamp is launched, it will automatically detect your device. Click on the Devices tab. The Devices tab is located in the top menu bar of Basecamp. Click on the Connect button. The Connect button is located in the upper right corner of the Devices tab. Follow the prompts. Basecamp will prompt you to follow a few steps to connect your device. Once your device is connected, you can start using Basecamp. Once your device is connected, you can start using Basecamp to manage your projects, tasks, and files. Troubleshooting tips. If you're having trouble connecting your device to Basecamp, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Make sure that your device is compatible with Basecamp. Make sure that your device is connected to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure that Basecamp is running as an administrator. Try restarting your computer and your device. If you're still having trouble, contact Basecamp support. Connecting your device to Basecamp is easy once you know how. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll be up and running in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.